This panel shows each object happening when exactly. It allows us to layer different elements. The main track at the bottom holds your background image, while the tracks above it allow us to overlay text, shapes, or graphics that move independently. The information text layer is currently grouped. You can open the layer to see the individual layers inside. It is currently grouped to simplify the layers. Let's ungroup it to make some changes. Now we are going to replace the existing images. Now let's go to Uploads, Upload Files. Drag and drop the image. Avoid replacing any existing image when you do so. Let's remove the background. If you're using Canva paid version, you can remove the background directly in Canva. Otherwise, you can use Adobe Express. Their background remover is free and the link is in the description. Adjust the attribute. Let's make it longer by expanding the side of the block. Drag and drop this side until it reaches to the desired duration. Let's make each image 9.4 seconds long. Delete the existing image. Make a copy of it. Let me show you how it'll look like after you add or delete text boxes. After you add or delete text boxes, you will see different size text layer blocks everywhere, like this. You don't want to adjust timing individually as there will be many. To save the time, we will group the text box, then change the timings of the layers all together. Let's lock the object so we don't accidentally move it. To select all the text layers, make sure you move the timing bar to where all the text layers show. If not, move the text layers to the same timing bar so you can select them all. Drag and drop to select the information, the text part. To keep your current object selected while adding more, remember to hold down the Shift key. Let's group it. Adjust timing if needed. You see, they all now have the same timing. Let me close this text layer. Move these to the same layer as the other ones. We will make a small timing gap between these images, so move it a bit. Now let's make them animated. You can choose different animations here. Both means that there will be animation at the start and the end of the block. On enter means at the start of the block. On exit means at the end of the block. We will choose both. Do the same for the rest of them. For the info text part, it should appear the whole time. And the other sub-background image should appear the whole time. We will not place any image at the end of the video. Let's only leave the text and background. At the end of the video, only background images and the information, the text layer, should appear for natural transition. Let's preview it to show you why. Now, where the video ended, there is no food images. Now let me replay to show how it transitions. You see, it transitions naturally. So, what happens? The image is longer than the background image. At the end of the video, you see the blank background. Let's preview it. It just shows a blank scene. Then when I replay the video, it looks like the scene pops right out nowhere. So, it is important to make all of the layers finish at the same time as the background layer, except for the food image that rotates.